Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Vinod. Welcome to my YouTube channel Win Civil World. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the types of plywoods which are used for interiors and which one do you prefer for your works. The durability and look of interiors basically depends on the quality of materials used. The most commonly used interior materials are particle board, MDF and HDF, that is medium density fiber and high density fiber. Then comes plywood, PVC boards, WPC boards, that is wood plastic composite boards. Then comes natural wood. These are the most commonly used materials for interior works. And particle board, MDF, plywood, PVC boards and WPC boards are called engineered wood. And plywood is the most commonly used engineered wood. How to choose a plywood? 70% of customers are given the wrong type of plywood. And this particular section is about some information essential to choose the right quality and type of plywood. What is a plywood? Plywood is a most versatile, durable, flexible and economical wood alternative. How is plywood manufactured? Plywood is manufactured by joining thin sliced wood and they are called veneers. The laying is done in such a way that the grains of each layer will be running perpendicular to the next layer. And veneer layers will be odd numbers and it will start from a minimum of 3. And normally the veneer thickness will be around 3 to 4 mm. Mostly the veneers are joined by adhesives and they are pressed under pressure and then heated to form plywoods. The strength and quality of plywood basically depends on a lot of factors. The cross-layered arrangement of veneers gives the required strength and dimensional stability to the plywood. And the wood for veneers depends basically on the geographical availability. And strength and quality depends on the grade of plywood, the veneer wood quality, the adhesive quality and the number of layers of veneer. An 18 mm ply with 15 layers of veneers is stronger than an 18 mm ply with 13 layers of veneers. What are the types and grades of plywood commonly available in market? The plywood is normally manufactured as per the Bureau of Indian Standards or BIS. These types of plywoods comes with an ISI mark, just like what is shown in this figure. Plywood is available in two grades, that is IS 303 grade and IS 710 grade. It is also called 303 grade ply and 710 grade ply. 303 grade ply consists of two different types of plies. The first one is this MR ply or it is called moisture resistant ply or commercial ply, and another one is BWR ply or boiling water resistant ply. And 710 grade, it is BWP grade ply, that is boiling waterproof ply or it is commonly known as marine ply. Let us have a comparison of IS 303 grade and IS 710 grade of ply. First we will discuss about the manufacturing process and their differences in both these grades. IS 303 grade, the first type of plywood is MR ply or moisture resistant ply. It is also called commercial ply. In this type of ply, the veneers are obtained from local wood. They are joined using urea formaldehyde, and the problem with urea formaldehyde is that they emit VOCs, and that is volatile organic compounds, and it is not environmental friendly. And next type of ply is BWR or boiling water resistant ply. They are manufactured using veneers from hardwood and they are joined using phenol formaldehyde, which is an environmentally friendly product. And in case of 710 grade ply, that is BWP or marine plywood, the veneers are obtained from hardwood and joined using phenol formaldehyde, which is an environmental friendly product, and they are then treated with undiluted plastic resins and special preservatives, and this is for enhancing the water resistant and termite resisting qualities. Next parameter we are going to discuss is waterproof quality. IS 303 grade. First we will discuss about MR grade or commercial ply. Basically MR grade or commercial ply is not a waterproof ply. They can resist some amount of moisture, and basically it is an interior grade plywood and is preferred for interior works only. And they are not to be used for water prone areas like bathroom and kitchen. Next one is BWR ply or boiling water resistant ply. It is an exterior grade ply and it is a waterproof ply, but it is not 100% waterproof like marine ply. They can be used for external furnitures, kitchen cabinets, interiors, etc., and for works in wet areas. The next we'll discuss about IS 710 grade, that is BWP grade or marine plywood. It's a marine grade plywood and it is treated with undiluted synthetic resin and that makes it 100% waterproof. They can be used for extreme water prone areas like kitchen, bathroom, interior of ships, external furniture, facades, etc. And it is 100% waterproof ply. Next parameter is humidity and moisture. That is for first one is IS 303 grade. First we'll discuss about MR grade or commercial ply. They can resist some moisture and humidity. And BWR ply or boiling water resistant ply is an exterior grade ply and it is perfect for areas with high humidity and moisture. In case of IS 710, that is marine plywood, they can withstand extreme weather condition, can be exposed to high humidity, heavy rainfall and snow without failure. They can maintain 72 hours boiling water treatment. Density and weight. This MR resistant or commercial ply and BWR boiling water resistant ply. Both these plies are manufactured as per IS 303 and they are light compared to 710 grade or marine ply but got reasonable density and strength. Commercial ply density ranges around 700 to 800 kg per cubic meter and BWR or boiling water resistant ply is around this almost same density. But in the case of marine ply, it is extremely heavy and got a density of around 800 to 825 kg per cubic meter. And because of its high density and high bigger weight, heavy hinges has to be provided when used on shutters. Next is the most important quality, that is strength and screw holding capacity. First we will discuss about 303 grade and IS 71. Both these grades, the veneer arrangement is cross layered and because of this cross layered arrangement they got better strength than any other wood alternative. In the case of IS 303 grade, commercial ply and BWR ply got very good screw holding capacity. MR resistant ply or commercial ply got a screw holding capacity of 75 kgs, whereas BWR ply got a screw holding capacity of 100 kg. But in the case of marine ply, it has got high strength, high density and excellent screw holding capacity and it ranges around 175 kgs. This is because of the presence of synthetic resins. Termite resistant qualities. The MR resistant ply, commercial ply or BWR ply both got good termite resistant qualities but it's not as excellent as marine ply. In the case of marine ply, got excellent termite resistant qualities. This is because they are treated with special preservatives during the process of manufacturing. Now we will have a look at the application of different grades of plywood. First we will discuss about moisture resistant or commercial ply. And it's an interior grade ply used for interior furnitures, room interiors, partitions, wardrobe, etc. with zero exposure to water. And commercial ply is the cheapest ply and it is manufactured as per IS 303 grade. BWR grade or boiling water resistant ply, it is basically an exterior grade plywood. If you don't have any budget constraints and you intend to go for a much higher grade and you have to use a plywood in kitchen or bathroom areas, or used as an external furniture, or used in water prone areas, go for BWR grade of ply, because everything is same as commercial plywood, but this waterproof qualities are much better than commercial ply. Marine grade plywood. It is the costliest plywood grade and it is conforming to IS 710, and they can withstand extreme exposure to water, sunlight, etc. like wet areas, marine applications, exposed decks, kitchen cabinets, everywhere you can use it. They can counter any wet applications. What are the points to be noted while purchasing a ply? First of all, you have to confirm the usage, which where you are going to use this plywood, and select the grade as per the usage and budget. There are three grades available, and this will be the markings on the plywood, that is for ISI grade marks, and everywhere it is written MR grade and then BWR grade or marine grade or BWP. And please purchase the plywood from a good brand or and a reputed dealer. And before buying it, just have a visual inspection and ensure the following. Visual inspection of veneer layers is important to before buying a ply. The strength depends on the number of layers of veneers, and veneer layers should be in odd numbers. The face shall be of good veneer for a perfect adhesion of laminates. And just check the surface. The surface have to be smooth, and you have to lift the plywood. It will give an idea about the density. Whenever you purchase a plywood, just go for a reputed brand or a quality brand, and just check about the quality of the plywood and the grade of the plywood, and you can even have the permission to ask for an manufacturer test certificate if you require, and this will give us a clear picture of what is being used in that particular plywood. Thank you.